SloshFab fans, we're here with Jake right here of SloshFab. Yeah. Jake, tell everybody where you're from, what's going on.
So I'm from Louisville, Ohio. Basically what I do is I do some turbo kits for anywhere from 94 to 2018 Cummins. We got single setups right here, and then we got some compound setups as well. Basically, if anybody wants a little bit more horsepower with their towing truck or work truck or just fast play truck, we'll definitely set you up.
So Jake, you do all aspects of this truck, right?
Yep.
And you stick strictly to the Cummins motor.
So specifically right now I stick with the Cummins engine, but over the winter I got a customer that wants to do something with this Powerstroke. So I'm going to be eventually branching into some 6-7 Powerstroke stuff. I'm just looking to branch out in a couple of different aspects of different things. So
wow, that's great. Now when did this business start?
I started about 2 years ago, just as a hobby.
And it probably took off from there.
It was kind of slow, but I basically started it I just love diesels. I just love anything about it. So I had a 2002 truck that I built a compound setup on it, and I built it, a friend and I built it, posted pictures of the kit, and then a lot of my friends were like, hey man, this looks really sweet, you can just post it up. So I looked at social media, Facebook, Instagram, posted pictures, and then it just kind of blew up from there. I've got people message, just received pictures, and were interested, so it just kind of took off from there. So
Wow. I suppose you probably ship these all over the world.
yeah, all over 50 states. I haven't shipped anything out of the country yet, but I've got guys all over 50 states that are questioning, always shooting me messages.
Great.
So, yeah, it's getting there.
Great, good deal. Now anybody can call you at any time. Go up on your site.
Absolutely.
Find out
You can
what's
check me
going
out on Facebook, SloshFab LLC, Instagram, SloshFab_LLC. Yeah, my phone number is 330-853-8070. If you got any questions, don't be afraid to shoot me private messages, DMs, call me, text me, whatever you want. I'm always there to answer any questions.
Wow, that's great, guys. Well, we're glad you're here today. Thanks a lot for coming out here to the King of Streets 2019 right here at Dragway 42. Josh, thanks a lot.
Thank you,
Continued
sir.
success to you.
Thank you.